morning, dear students. Today we'll see a few more examples based on variation of parameter. The question is d square y upon dx square minus 6 times dy by dx plus 9y is equal to e raised to 3x upon x square. Solution. So d square y upon dx square minus 6 times dy by dx plus 9y is equal to e raised to 3x upon x square. So the left hand side you simplify and find the roots. You will get a complementary function as c1 plus c2x into e raised to 3x. So this complementary function, so what happens here, you to find because this by using this complementary function we are assuming the complete solution. So therefore you multiply this e raised to 3x to this bracket. If you multiply, what happens here, it will become yc is equal to c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 x into e raised to 3x. So based on this we'll write assumed complete solution as y is equal to, the c1 will be replaced by what here, a into e raised to 3x plus c2 will be replaced by b into e raised to x into x. This is our assumed complete solution. Give equation number 1. So according to equation number 1, e raised to 3x is nothing but y1 and x into e raised to 3x as y2. Differentiation of e raised to 3x is e raised to 3x into 3, and the differentiation of y2 is out here. You need to apply product formula. Keep x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to 3x is e raised to 3x into 3 plus e raised to 3x you keep as it is. Differentiation of x is out here 1, leave it. So therefore find w by using this. So w is y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. So replace the value of y1, replace the value of y2 y2 dash, replace the value of y2 and y1 dash, simplify. So remember one thing, e raised to 3x into e raised to 3x will be e raised to 6x. You need to add it, 3x plus 3x, it will become e raised to 6x. This 3x as it is, e raised to 3x into e raised to 3x, again e raised to 6x, minus times x into 3 as it is, e raised to 3x into e raised to 3x will become e raised to 6x. So plus 3x of e raised to 6x and minus 3x into e raised to 6 cancels, will get e raised to 6x, and which is the value of w. Now we know the formula for a is nothing but minus times integration of y2 into phi of x of w into dx plus arbitrary constant k1. So replace the value of y2, okay, that is x e raised to 3x is the value of y2 divided by w I had taken into phi of x is in a fraction form, that's why I am writing e raised to 3x into x square. So this e raised to 6x we have here, and here e raised to 3x, e raised to 3x, e raised to 3x into e raised to 3x is nothing but e raised to 6x, which is going to be cancelled with e raised to 6x. So e raised to 6x and this e raised to 3x, e raised to 3x, which is e raised to cx, cancel with this e raised to 6x. So 1x and among this 1x cancels. So what left here? 1 upon x is left into dx plus k1, this minus outside. So in minus outside, integration of 1 upon x is log x plus k1. So therefore a is equal to minus log x plus k1 is the answer here. So similarly we need to find the answer of b, which is nothing but integration of y1 phi of x divided by w into dx plus k2. So which is nothing but replace the value of y1 as e raised to 3x, w value is e raised to cx divide into phi of x value is e raised to 3x upon x square. So this e raised to 3x, e raised to 3x cancel with e raised to 6x. We are going to left with integration of 1 upon x square dx plus k2. So therefore b is nothing but minus 1 upon x, because integration of 1 upon x square will be out here minus 1 upon x plus k2. So got the value of a, b, substitute the value of a and b in equation number 1. So I had replaced the value of, this is the value of a, this is the value of b. Fine, then you simplify. First I need results with k1 and k2. So k1 of e raised to 3x I had taken, then from second bracket k2 of x into e raised to 3x I had taken, then remaining one minus log x into e raised to 3x, that is e raised to 3x into log x, then minus 1 by x into x of e raised to 3x. So on simplification, so among these first two, you take e raised to 3x common. What inside we left? K1 plus k2x minus this as it is. So here x and x cancels. So e raised to 3x log x minus e raised to x, which is the required our complete solution.